Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to right-click on MacBook. To use a right-click, or as it is called on MacBooks, secondary click, you either have to hover over an element on the screen or an area on your screen and then tap your trackpad with 2 fingers at once, or you can also hold down the control button on your keyboard and then single tap your trackpad to do the same thing. With your mouse, just press the right button on it to perform this action. And if you want to change the settings on your MacBook, you're gonna have to navigate to the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen, select System Settings here, and in System Settings, navigate down to Trackpad section if you want to change the secondary click settings for trackpad, and then here you can change clicking with 2 fingers to clicking in the bottom right corner or clicking in the bottom left corner. And for the mouse, we can also change the settings if we go to the mouse tab and then change click right side to click the left side. And that's basically how you use secondary click on MacBooks. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.